書カエルを読みますが、緊張しますか？
緊張します。
頑張って。OK。
A scorpion and a fox met at the side of a river. The scorpion wanted to cross the river, but he didn't know how to swim. Please, Mr. Fox, he said, you carry me across the river. I can't do that, said the fox. You are a scorpion, and you will sting me. No, said the scorpion, I won't sting you because we will both throw in the river. This made sense to the fox, and he agreed to help him. The scorpion climbed to the back of the fox, and the fox began to swim when they reached the middle of a river. The scorpion stung the fox. Its hurt the fox very much, and they both began to sink under the water. Why did you sting me? Asked. Now I will die, and you will surely die. I could help it, said the scorpion. I am a scorpion, and that's what scorpion do, and you knew I was a scorpion when you let me lie on your back.
読み終わってどうですか？
緊張しました。
出来はどうでしたか？
ほとんど読めたかなと思います。
はい。